Hello, my name is Julia Baldwin, and today I have Curtis Venturini and Charles Verdon here to discuss civil engineering, one of the many engineerings WVU has to offer. Civil engineers design, build, and maintain the foundation for our modern society. Civil engineers are the reasons for our roads, bridges, drinking water, energy systems, and the infrastructure for a cleaner environment. It is one of the many impacts to our society.
This is the table of contents for our presentation.
Civil engineering disciplines. WU offers many disciplines in civil engineering, and there are many that you can go into in general. Here are some of the popular ones, which are structural engineering, water resource and hydraulic engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, and construction engineering and management.
So you may be wondering, how is civil engineering different from other engineering fields? Well, civil engineering directly affects the health and economic vitality of people and communities. They work with problems such as waste disposal, environmental pollution, transportation systems, water resource development, and construction. They concentrate more on the structural elements.
These are some average salaries of civil engineers and their disciplines. Civil engineers work on planning, designing, and overseeing construction. They also maintain building structures and facilities such as roads, railroads, airports, bridges, and other related structures. Environmental engineering is the branch of engineering that is concerned with protecting people from environmental effects such as pollution, as well as improving environmental quality. Sales engineers deal with the business region behind the creating and building of projects. Construction managers oversee specialized contractors and other personnel. They schedule and coordinate all construction processes so that projects meet design specifications. An example of some companies that offer jobs in this field are Turner Construction, Maryland State Highways, Manhattan Construction Group, and Witten Turner. These fields of engineering are growing quickly and will continue to be demanded as new buildings and public structures are needed.
Some student organizations that WVU offers to their students are American Society of Civil Engineers, also known as ASCE, which is one of the more popular ones. Their main goal is to build leaders, provide a better quality of life, advance civil engineering, and protect the public health and safety and welfare of everyone around. One of the main projects and competitions that they take part in is the concrete canoe. What the concrete canoe is, they experiment with different concretes and materials that they put in the concrete to create the lightest and also the strongest canoe possible to eventually put them on the water and race them against other competitors in colleges. The next organization is the Structural Engineering Institute Graduate Student Chapter. This organization provides graduate education in structural engineering. Their main goals are to develop leadership skills and create professional development opportunities. And the last organization is Chi Epsilon. This is the National Civil Engineering Honor Society. The original name is Chi Delta Chi, which stands for Conception, Design, and Construction.
Civil engineering does in fact offer opportunities studying abroad. You could go to places like Mexico, Rome, Germany, or Greece. There's also an organization any major is welcome to called Engineering Without Borders. This international program is here to help to communities through volunteer work. The goal is to help create innovative, sustainable solutions to real-world engineering problems. If you're interested in studying abroad, then there's a link on this slide and you can go ahead and make a search on it.
Co-op programs allow students the opportunity to have a professional work experience. It is a combination of in-class work with hands-on experiences. People getting into engineering have the chance to use what they have learned in the classroom and transfer it into a real-life scenario. Students accepted into the co-op program alternate periods of study with 3 to 5 periods of work. This opportunity is great to gain new skills, learn some valuable lessons, get paid, and put what you learned to the test. As for internships, it is another good opportunity. If you look on the slide, there are many different locations offering potential jobs to help you with your experience.
So the grand challenges that we decided that civil engineers can take on is restore and improve urban infrastructure, provide access to clean water. So currently, America's infrastructure is aging and failing. There's been insufficient funding for these infrastructures, and therefore was leading to the aging and failing. We believe civil engineers can create a solution to these problems by creating a sustainable, environmentally friendly, conserve energy, and low cost to create a better and more improved infrastructures. The other challenge is providing access to clean water. 1 out of every 6 people do not have adequate access to clean water, and the current strategies of digging wells and building dams and also desalination plants are expensive to build and require lots of energy to operate. We also believe that civil engineers can create new technologies that will lower the energy use and cost to provide more access to clean water to more people. This is a video of civil engineering.
From the tallest towers to the largest tunnels, some of the world's largest civil engineering wonders are just being built. The capabilities of civil engineers and architects are only growing as engineering software and scientific research advance their fields.
And then here are references.